Hey guys, check it out, I'm making a RC boat. Now this is just something I had laying around. It's an old boat that I made some while ago, but didn't make any video of it. But I just wasn't happy with the CG and stuff like that. So what I got on it right now is there is the receiver. It's just an old receiver I had from a car. The propeller is a Aquacraft from the mini models like the Mini Rio and boats like that. This bearing system is just something I made of myself. Just some tape and hot glue. Then the drive shaft is also Aquacraft. It's a flex drive. So yeah, the battery I have is this right here. It's with the yellow thing. Now this is what I had in it, but I really want to put this Reedy 3000 mAh nickel metal hydride in it, but I don't know if I can make it fit in this, well, kind of small bowl. The motor I have is a 370 size from an airplane, old airplane, and then the ESC is a LRP micro brushed receiver with Deans on it. So this is the bearing stuff. So this is just made out of 2 HPI rubber sealed ball bearings. I just wrapped some tape around the drive shaft to make because the inside diameter of the bearings was way too big, so I just wrapped some tape, and then with a small strip out of a pet ball, just glued that around it and then secured with hot glue, and then I have some clay stuff back there to seal it even more. Okay, this is the servo. It's a Futaba S3003. Okay, this is a little stabilizing thing for the drive shaft. It's just some drinking straws and cardboard glued together with hot glue. Now I'm hoping this will get rid of some of the vibrations I had with the old boat, but yeah, I don't know. Okay, I've connected up the motor to the AC. You can see right there, I just have to fasten down the AC. Okay, so I'm just testing everything out. Here is the servo working. And the motor, you can see there. And that in there is all going perfect. So yeah, I think it's just good to go. Just a final test with the pusher rod installed. Everything works like it's supposed to, and I think it's time to find some water. Now with the weather right now pretty bad, as you can see. It's raining and a lot of wind, but you know, I think I can figure something out. Okay, it's dark outside and I'm still working, but not on the boat, of course. So this is what I came up with to sail the boat on. It's just going to be like a pond. It's a box that I'm trying to cover with plastic. Okay, it's ready. Now I just made this little pond here because it's the best I had, so yeah, check it out. Okay, that's that. It doesn't turn that well, but yeah, I think it's just okay.